All right. National Adoption Month is every November, and it highlights adoption for our families that have adopted in Fairfax County and across the state of Virginia. We want to just highlight for the community and educate everybody about what adoption is all about and that children deserve a permanent home. Right now, most of our kids that are in foster care that are available for adoption range between the ages of 9 to the age of 17. Most of our kids are older youth that are really looking for a permanent home. I think people don't understand or may think that older youth want to be on their own, but they want to be loved just like every other child. They want to be independent, most teenagers do, but they still want somewhere to call home.
We had lived with these children before. They became the darling of the house. We see Alex, for example, he came to our house before he could even speak a word, 3 years plus. And when he started speaking after even a week and started jumping up and moving down, calling us Francis, Naomi, without even pronouncing properly, it was love at the first sight when we saw them. When we realized the struggle they have undergone and the story that we have heard about them, we said, well, they need to have a stable home. We need to bring them to a home and then show them what a family is.
The county and the state recognize that families need support in caring for children who come from situations where, there's abuse and neglect. They need services, they need support, and we are there with them to support them and help them provide any assistance that they need, whether it's financial, whether it's services, or just to talk through situations that occur with children and parenting. I think a lot of people believe that they have to own a home, which of course is not true. You can be a renter, you can be living with your family and be able to foster or adopt a child. You can be a single parent, married couple. You can also be able to adopt or foster if you have a wide range of income, whether it's a higher income or a family that is a working family. We're open to working with all of our families to be able to meet the needs of our children.
Every child can have a future. It doesn't matter how badly they look like. They can be somewhere. You just be positive and tell them what you see. Because many times they're asking us, why do you do good things to us even when we are doing bad things? And we say, it's because we don't see the bad things we are doing. We see the nice boy inside of you and we have to get him outside because he's crying for help. And until you see him outside, you'll never give up.
Nobody should fear adopting. It's actually a joy. We are always happy every day. We jump all ourselves. You see us at the backyard, and we don't just see whatever they have undergone. We just see healthy young men growing up at our hearts. So when you just look at that, we say it's good. So nobody should fear adoption. It's actually the best thing that can ever happen to somebody.
More than 70% of adoptive families began as foster parents. For information, call 703-324-7639, TTY 703-222-9452.